Welcome to the Violet Zone. Get it? My channel's called Violet Zone. Welcome to the Violet Zone. Sorry, lame dad joke. In this video, it's going to be a little different from my usual gaming videos. I wanted to share something a little different. It's a project I've been working on that kind of combines two of my hobbies, gaming and woodworking. Not too long ago, I built a custom gaming PC with my brother, so thanks to him for helping. You can't have a custom gaming PC without a custom gaming desk, in my opinion. I wanted to build something unique and something that I could feel comfortable at, a place where I could create, game, and just chill. In looking at what the community was doing with custom gaming desks, I got really annoyed at how everyone was using the same thing. Everyone was using the same Linman tabletop with the Alex drawers from IKEA. I'm not a huge IKEA fan. I think it's cheap, cliche. I think it's too normal. I guess this is a pretty unpopular opinion. I'm not trying to trash talk anybody that likes IKEA or buys things from IKEA. I just personally don't like it. And so with the knowledge and experience that I have, I was able to come up with a desk that I built myself, that I call my own, that's unique, and it's going to be with me for a while. To give you a little background about me, my dad was a professional woodworker. He built a lot of the pieces of furniture in the home that I grew up in. I'm kind of used to the custom-made pieces of furniture. So I wanted to incorporate some of that into this gaming desk. To get started, I looked up a bunch of different gaming desk designs that were pre-built from different companies. And after looking at all those desks, I jumped into AutoCAD and I was able to doodle a little bit and come up with some of my own ideas inspired from what I had seen. After doodling a little bit, I came up with some ideas. Some of those ideas started to take shape, and I finally came up with a design that I liked. After more doodling, I came up with a 3D model. What I have here is several different pieces. The blue is a butcher block countertop that I got from my local hardware store. The red are just regular 2x4s, and the green are regular 4x4s. You can see some of the joints are pretty unique. Here in this area, I have mortised in to the 4x4 on an angle, a 2x4, which gives me kind of a futuristic modern look to the leg design. And with this plan all put together, I decided that I could print it out and begin making it.